This is the M12 Fuel 6-inch pruning saw unboxing. So when you open this, you got a couple of things in the box. The saw comes out like this. It comes with a protective cover. But this is a tool only, no battery. Battery inserts here. You must fill this with oil prior to use. This is an important note. You got your Ford. Oh no, sorry. Cancel that.
We'll just cut from there.
You got your safety trigger actuator over here. Okay, let's do this again. I don't even.
The tool to take off the chain.
Yeah, but I don't even know what it is. Oh. Okay. Do I snap when I start, or does it matter? Not matter.
Yeah, sure, snap.
The tool has the safety trigger over here. You hold this down while pressing the trigger to activate. It has a built-in chain tensioner flathead that removes for easy use. You insert it here to loosen or tighten the chain. Easy storage goes back over here. Battery inserts over here. Press and hold to activate the tool. Very quiet, no kickback, perfect for shrubs around the house or in the backyard, and small pieces of wood as well.